In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to find Apple repair centers near you. You can simply locate Apple repair centers in just few simple steps. To do this, simply get this Apple Support app installed. It's available in the App Store. Then on this page, tap on your device. Select the first option of repairs and physical damage. You can either select on these frequently suggested options or write your exact issue just here. Let's say you have a battery issue, select battery service right here. Click right here. Then tap on Continue to Service options. If you need a battery replacement, tap right here on Make a Reservation. Then the map will locate you to the nearest Apple repair shop. You just need to tap right here to get the repair center contact details and make your reservations. These repair centers are certified by Apple to deliver high-quality services. That's how easy it is to see Apple authorized repair service providers near you. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.